it's a dancey piece.
Feel.
Powerful.
That's quite good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You like
Great, yeah.
I like the theme, I like the tone.
I hear a lot of, I don't know Indonesian at all,
it? Yeah.
but I feel a lot of influences. I was thinking of Ethiopia first,
Yeah.
and of India, and then
Middle
jazz
East.
band.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a bit funny for me
Yeah.
because listen to the older rock, hard rock, something like this, and it sounds for me like a Bollywood movie.
Okay.
Just a
okay.
little.
Yeah.
Powerful, happy, but a little bit Bollywood style.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
How do you feel?
Huh?
How do you feel?
I feel is that so a bit of traditional music?
Yeah.
With
Music.
modern, yeah.
From Aceh, Indonesia.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Very nice. Live instrument.
Yeah.
Eh?
It's really
And the bass.
me.
Nah, if you look, Indonesian and bass, for sure.
It's a style.
It's world music from our country. We call this ethnic. Ethnic. You like it?
Great, yeah.
You like it?